guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this is how I broke my Sony A6400. First, I was really trying to transfer files. I was transferring files because I was getting prepared to shoot. So, I removed the this SD card. I removed it from the A6400. That's the one I'm filming in right now, and then mounted it here. This is a USB-C dongle for my laptop. So kind of placed it here. You'll notice that. So that's how it started. And then when I tried to put it back into the A6400, I can't. Hindi ko na siya maibalik. This is the SD. This is the SD card slot. This is the SD card slot. And if you notice the difference between these two, papansin mo talaga. Okay, so you will notice that there's really a chipped part, and then there's a part that is not chipped, and you notice already na hindi na talaga kakasya. During that time, I thought it was the camera that's having the problem. Akala ko talaga yung A6400. I did not bother to test another SD card into the card slot. So I just got pissed. I took out a tool and then I just fucking poked around with it. Tick 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 tick. Oh my god! It just didn't stop. That's what I basically. I was really frustrated during that time, and I would say na I lost my cool. Kaya parang nabadtrip ako, and I just poked around it. I just yanked out the reader until napansin ko, holy shit, I think I fucked up something. Like, I really messed up something, and that's it. I didn't notice what I messed up. All I know is, oh my god, this is not gonna work anymore. About 5 minutes later, when I got my bearings back, I tried to use another SD card. So I got a bunch of SD cards lying around, including the one that I'm using, and it's not working. I mean, I was able to snap. I was able to snap this in and out, but it's not working anymore. So I guess I permanently really banged it up. So in summary, step 1, I transferred files. Step 2, I yanked it out. Step 3, it's not working anymore. That's it. In that exact order. So how did it get fixed? It got fixed when I brought it to Sony Center. I wanted to bring it somewhere else because I know it's gonna be faster, and since this is an international unit, I got it from my trip in Hong Kong. I can't go there to just get it repaired, right? It's like malabo yun, hindi dapat yun. So pumunta ako dun. It took about 10 days and a bunch of follow-ups, and then eventually nice naman siya. So this is the culprit. This is the malfunctioning part. So, and that's it. What really messed this up? Is it really the Sony A6400 that managed to chip this? I have other SanDisk SD cards, and they are not having any issues. I realized that it was this that caused the problem. So essentially, I could still use this 32 GB SD card. If I put it here, still the laptop still reads it. It's like I could still use it as storage, but to put it in the camera, it's really not going to work anymore. I guess there's some security built into the SD card slot that's going to prevent me from using a dysfunctional memory card that could potentially break it. So 3,500 pesos worth of service fees later, it's now fixed, and I'm filming again. We're back to getting filmed. So I bought a different SD card for this. It's actually a little bit better, I guess, but I was reading forums online. I was reading the benchmark, but what the fuck, I don't care. I'm just going to use it anyway. So stick around and till to the end of the video. I'm just gonna show you how quickly I unboxed the new SD card. So thank you for sticking around, and I hope you don't run into the same problem. I hope you be patient with your SD card, and if you are using this dongle, don't get me wrong, this dongle is pretty good. This dongle is pretty good. I'm not going to say that I'm going to throw it away just because I am suspecting it to be the one that caused the damage to the SD card. I guess the moral lesson here is be patient with electronics. I was impatient during that time. I just wanna fuck up my A6400. Talaga, I just wanna get things out. I wanna see results. It's like, it's not going to happen if you are not patient. If you don't test other cards yet before you give up on one, it's probably going to happen to you too. So that's a hard lesson for me. I hope you guys don't go through the same excruciating and potentially demoralizing phase. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.